My name is Bernice, and I am looking for my favorite food, the cutthroat trout. Me and my favorite food are part of an ecosystem, which is a collection of different organisms that live in a specific place. This is my ecosystem, Yellowstone National Park, home to lots of different kinds of organisms. In an ecosystem, there are communities, groups of one species, like in my family portrait from when I was a cub. In ecosystems, there are producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers are organisms that can make their own food, like this quaking aspen. There are also carnivores. Sand verbena, and fields with many types of grasses and flowers. Consumers are organisms that must feed on other organisms in order to survive. Like this mule deer, and the American bison, gray wolves, elk, cutthroat trout, bobcats, rabbits, and grizzly bears. Aw, aren't I pretty? Decomposers are organisms that break down other organisms after they've died. These include mushrooms. Food chains are the connections between all organisms. In my food chain, I eat trout, the trout eats dragonflies, the dragonflies eat the mosquitoes, and the mosquitoes suck my blood. What if there were no mosquitoes? The dragonflies would die, the trout would die, and then what would I have to eat? Because I also like to eat deer, I would have to share my food with the gray wolf. Deer eat aspen, and the aspen gets its nutrients from the soil, which is made up of decomposed organisms. Sometimes overpopulation of a species can occur. This can cause a food shortage. For example, if the deer population grew too big, there would not be enough aspens for them. The deer would starve to death, and the aspen would disappear. Without these things, everything in my ecosystem would be lost. This is why every part of an ecosystem is important. All communities of producers, consumers, and decomposers must work together in order to keep our home a beautiful place to live. Well, thanks for stopping by. I finally caught some trout. Time to make sushi.